Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant error that says Secure Boot is enabled, but not active on Windows 11. First, save all your work and restart your computer. During the restart screen, press the BIOS key for your system. This is usually Delete, F2 or F10. Keep pressing the key until the BIOS or UEFI menu opens. Once you are inside, look for Boot Settings or Advanced Settings. The layout depends on your motherboard. Now, find an option called CSM or Legacy Support. If this option is enabled, you must disable it. Secure Boot will not work if CSM is turned on. Next, look for TPM settings. This may be called TPM, PTT, or FPPM. Make sure TPM 2.0 is enabled. If it is disabled, turn it on. This step is required for Valorant on Windows 11. After that, go to Secure Boot Settings. Set Secure Boot Mode to Standard. If it is set to Custom or Setup, Secure Boot will not activate correctly. Now enable Secure Boot if it is not already enabled. Once everything is done, save changes and exit the BIOS. After Windows loads, open Valorant again. The Secure Boot enabled but not active error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.